Well, we now know more of the state's witnesses will be taking the stand today in the trial of Mark Sievers as they work to prove that he played a role in Teresa's murder. In fact, as they work to prove that he orchestrated Teresa Sievers' murder. Mark Sievers is on trial now, and if it's anything like it was on Friday, we do expect it to be a very intense and emotional day in the courtroom again. Now, the state says Mark Sievers hired Wright and Jimmy Rogers to murder his wife, Dr. Teresa Sievers. This happened inside their Bonita Springs home in June of 2015. Rogers was convicted of second-degree murder last month, and Wright, Curtis Wright, took a plea deal in this case. He is expected to get 25 years in prison. One of the biggest parts of Friday's testimony came from Curtis Wright when he was cross-examined by the defense on Friday. This was pretty big, and this was really the defense's time to question him and paint him as an unreliable witness. We know they spent a lot of time with Curtis Wright on the stand, about 2+ hours, because he's really the only person that's tying Mark Sievers to the murder of Teresa Sievers. Again, he was on the stand for more than 2 hours, and while there, Sievers' defense team walked Wright and the jury through the numerous amount of lies Wright told detectives before reaching a plea deal.
In fact, when Detective Levitt told you that the Sievers were having marital problems, you told them, "You're telling me that they had marital problems? I was close, and I've never heard that. He never talked to me about that." Do you recall saying that to Detective Levitt?
Yes.
Now, the defense also focused on other lies Curtis Wright told the state, including saying he never stepped foot inside the Sievers' home the night of the murder. All of this, of course, was to try to convince the jury Wright could not be relied on to ever tell the truth. However, Wright is saying he did these things to protect himself, to protect Mark Sievers, and to protect Jimmy Rogers, who was convicted in this murder already. Now, through the course of questioning, though, things did get a bit heated between the defense and Wright. Take a listen.
You said that you had previously sent information so nobody would have complete access to everything. You recall saying that?
Yes, but it wasn't concerning Mark.
I'm sorry. Was there a question in front of you?
There was.
Objection. Argument.